Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to upload your digital assets. What's a digital asset? It's a digital ebook or free report or any digital files that you have in digital format that's used as a lead magnet for a downloadable content to your visitors in exchange for their emails or their details. So on the main navigation, what you want to do is click on Account and then select Digital Assets. And then you'll be taken to this page where you can either search for digital assets or add a new asset. For this example, you can see that I've already uploaded a digital product. So let me show you how to upload it. It's very simple. All you need to do is click on this button, Add New Asset, and then you'll be taken to this pop-up page where you can name the asset and then select the file, and do note that there is a maximum of 3 megabytes. And you can put in the name where it is sending from and also the email, from which email, and the message. What's preloaded is already there, and it says, here's the free PDF you requested. Now you can customize it by typing the message that you want. Once you're done, you just need to click on this button, Create Digital Asset, and it will automatically upload and fill up the list over here. It's important to note that the maximum file size that you can upload is 3 megabytes, and anything bigger, then you would need to host it on a third-party file hosting website like Dropbox or Google Drive or other file hosting websites, and then after that, you have to manually attach it on the download page. So there you have it. This is a video on uploading your digital assets.